What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for BitMine Immersion Technologies, ticker symbol BMNR. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So BMNR, it looks like it's still working its way down. So we had a nice pop-up higher from that $32 level, low 30s, and now it looks like it's coming right back to where it started, slowly but surely. Just slowly bleeding out. Basically, traders who entered back over here are slowly starting to get out because they want to, protect their profit or get out at least to break even. So you see that as a slow bleed down. This is definitely not looking like a bull flag any longer because it's pretty extended. If we make a measure move target lower, where we headed, one leg down right here, price pullback, began the second leg down, is targeting right around that $30 level, which is right where that support is, right where price bounced back in late July or early August. So I'm targeting the $30 level in terms of my prediction. It looks like it is trying to work its way down. Nothing really bullish about this chart right now. It's not really setting up as a bullish pattern, and most likely it's going to be headed lower. So as right now, expect lower prices, $30. What would make me change my mind is all of a sudden we see strong buying develop. We did have this trend line right here, but that's no longer in play. We broke it, so that's no longer in play. What would make you change my mind if we see strong buying? So if I copy the bars right here, if I copy these bars, drag it over, if we see something like this again, like at least a couple of these candles, 1, 2, 3, okay, that changes the picture for sure. But I don't expect that to happen from what we're seeing right now in the chart. So it looks like it'll continue to bleed lower, slowly but surely. Looking for the low 30s, and if it doesn't stop there, well, again, there's a very huge drop that can occur from $30 all the way down to $5. Why? Because on the left side of the chart, there's not a lot of support. You see that just went up in a straight line. Price can go down as quickly as it went up. As you can see here, it has happened before. It can happen again. We went pretty high and quickly, and we went down pretty quickly as well. Basically, erased the gains in about the same amount of time. Same thing can happen right here. We can erase the gains in about the same amount of time. So if we break $30, I'm looking for $5. So again, the chart is bearish until proven otherwise, in my opinion. Looking at the weekly chart, it's pulling back to the EMA, which is also at lower prices. But again, that's not going to lead to like a reversal. I don't think that's going to hold price, and we see a trend develop from there. It can, but I'm not betting on it. And looks like it's still going to continue down lower. Looks like a lower high. After making a top, lower high, looks like it's trying to make a new low. At the same time, we did have a low, higher low, but now we're coming back down to the same lows, so that's not really bullish. So overall, basically just had a huge pop-up higher. It's not really a trending type of stock. So the market behavior is kind of like a pop, like a bubble and then a pop, and then it kind of consolidates for a long time. Same thing happened here. This went up a substantial amount. I mean, just within a couple of weeks, maybe a couple months, it went up like 40x. Can you believe that? So how much more would you want out of the stock? It's already went up a substantial amount. And from the highs, typically high to where we are right now, it's a 75% drop. What stock do you want that's in a nice, healthy uptrend, drops 75% in a correction? Not a lot of stocks can recover that in a uptrend. Typically, that marks the top. If you drop that substantial amount, typically we don't recover that. It continues to trend down lower. So BMNR most likely will continue to work its way down. I know that's what a lot of people don't want to hear, but I'm not here to BS you guys. I'll probably get a lot of views if I just said, guys, it's going to go up, mortgage your house, and you don't have to worry about anything. It's going to go up 100% guaranteed. Like, I'm pretty sure if I did that, I'll get a lot of views, and a lot of people would continue to watch my channel because they don't really care about what is actually happening. They just want to feel happy. They just want to feel like, they're okay. But that's not reality. And reality is going to keep on twisting you till you break. And as right now, it looks like it's going to continue to bleed lower and lower till you finally throw in the towel, till you finally tap out. That's what the market is designed to do. Until the last buyer stops buying, this will continue to probably bleed lower and lower. Or the last seller sells, you could say. So as right now, it looks bearish, but again, I'm open to invalidation, strong beliefs held loosely. If we see strong buying, okay, I'm gonna be expecting a measure move higher, probably back up to maybe 70, 80. If we stop right here, we can get probably another leg up like that. And then let's see what happens. Maybe it continues moving up higher. But I don't expect that to happen with what I'm seeing in the chart and what's happening around the crypto sphere. So I'll have for BMNR on the daily and weekly charts is a Vee Trades. Thank you for your time.